Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be this beautiful, simple to make Rakhi. I'm going to be using these terracotta beads in order to assemble this. I will leave links in the description box of the video on how I made and painted that particular bead. Also using this beautiful blue and green color cotton cords, a scale, a ruler, and something heavy. This is just a ceramic cup I had made, ended up being thick, so I'm just using it as a heavy weight. I'm measuring about 24 inches of each of these cords. So in total I'm going to be using 6, so that's 4 green, 2 blues, each measuring 24 inches. This length typically would give me about a 11-inch Rakhi. I start off with a simple knot. I put the weighted cup on top and I begin to braid. A simple braid. Once I've reached about 5 inches in length of the braid, I do 2 simple knots in this manner. So that's 1 knot and then the second one. I follow it up with the blue bead. Once again, these plain beads are also terracotta. They are fired, painted in this beautiful blue and varnished. After the bead is in, again I do 2 knots. So I just repeat that process. There's a bead, there's a knot, the bead, knots, bead, and knot. So that just helps everything stay firm and nice. Once again, I braid 5 inches and end it with a simple knot. Trim off the edges, and that's the only amount that's remaining. So this is roughly about 11.5 inches. I think that's pretty long, and there you go. You have 2 simple, nice Rakhis. I really like the way this is turned out. I really hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Please do let me know what you thought of it in the comment section, and as always I'll get back to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for watching.